Hello there. I just got a new delivery today. This is a John Deere model number S130 Lawnmower. Let's walk around and take a look at what's under the hood. This is a 22 horsepower John Deere. If you look at the side, should be a sticker here. Tiny print, but if you look at the logo, it says breadth and stratum. And we have the maintenance charts here. Very convenient. The maintenance schedule. And of course the battery, oil stick, looks like we have a right amount of oil there. Spark plug. This is a V-twin engine, so we should have another one. Okay, another spark plug right here. Fuel lines and the fuel pump right here. It's very convenient to do a diagnostic if you have fuel line issues, or if you need to replace the fuel pump. It's right here, easy access. Turn here, we have easy change. This is a John Deere design of easy change, and I plan to make a future video to talk about this easy change, how it works, and I do have plan to make a modification that allows better oil change. Let's look at the controls next. On the left here, we have the brake pedal. And on the side of the seat, we have this deck level adjustments from 1 inch to 4 inches. And here we have the level for throttle and choke. So we have lower and higher throttle, and if you push forward, it's going to be the choke. In the middle, we have the hour meter here, and down the left, this is the parking brake. So this is, you pull up to engage the parking brake, have the parking brake on, and they push it down to release the parking. And this is RIO button. So this is basically a safety feature when you need to turn on the deck doing the reverse. We are talk about a little bit more in a future video. I'll explain how everything works, all the buttons. And on the right hand side here, we have this switch. So we have stop, headlights, on, and start. So when you start the engine, you're back to on. And just in case you need to turn on the headlights, you can switch to the light here. That will turn on your headlights. Down here this is electronic PTO. So this is basically turn on your deck and turn on the cutting. And of course, you know, you push it down, it's going to turn off the deck. On the right here, we have this cruise control. So if you have a big lawn, and you can turn this on by pull it up, and that will, you know, maintain that speed. On the right hand side here, we have two pedals. We have going forward pedal, okay, and we have reverse pedal. So you just step on it, it's going to go reverse. And the John Deere S130 will have a 42-inch cutting deck here, and seat. We have a good design here. We have the seat and the back being separate, and you can see if you park outside, the rain is not going to, you know, this seat is not going to hold the rain here. So let's look at what's under the seat. Obviously, we have the seat suspension spring here, and the gas tank with a capacity of 2.4 gallons. If you average 1 gallon per hour, and you know, that gives you roughly like 1 acre size of lawn. If you have a bigger lawnmower, keep in mind this is a 2.4 gallon gas tank capacity. Down here we have the transaxles. This is a common John Deere TLT 200 transaxles for John Deere lawnmower. And if you look closer here, we also have this level. This is for when you need to push the lawnmower, and with this level engaged, it's heavier to push. So what you can do is you can pull this level out. It will disengage the transaxle. So when you push the lawnmower, it's going to be much easier to push. Of course, you need to remember to reset it back. So the transaxle will be engaged, and when you step on the going forward pedal, it's going to go forward. Otherwise, being disengaged, the lawnmower is not going to move. We have the John Deere manual here. Okay, this is the spare key. Okay, early on I put some gas in the gas tank. Let's fire it up. Okay, with one hand doing the video, I'm going to try if I can start the lawnmower without the choke. Let's see. starts right up. But of course, you can always push the choke so to when you start the engine. Okay. Last but not the least, the S130 lawnmower comes with a front bumper, very nice, and headlights. As I've explained, you can turn on your headlights after you start engine. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't done so, so you'll receive my future video. And until next time, bye bye.